number 10, you're asked, are you giving enough information to determine if it's a parallelogram or not? Explain. So another way is, hey, can you prove that the two triangles are congruent? If they are, right, by what property, you can essentially prove it's a parallelogram. So watch this. Okay. So these angles, these sides are congruent, right? So these angles are congruent, right? Because look, that is congruent to that. Okay. Therefore, this is also congruent to this. Why? Because look, that is opposite to that. That is opposite to that. Okay. So we have these markings. They're all congruent. This is A, this is A, this is S. Right? This is A, this is A, this is S. So here we can say by it is congruent by AS. Then we can get the parts are congruent. This is congruent to this by using CPCTC. And then from there, you can say it's a parallelogram by the definition of a parallelogram. There you go. Here, this is 60, this is 120, this is 120. Okay, therefore that. So you can essentially use the, right, you can cut that by a diagonal. No matter what, this is going to make it 60. Okay. Right. So you have here, this would be yes, because once you know 3, you can get the 4th because of the triangle sum. Right. Next, here, this is a little bit tricky, but this does work. Okay. How? Well, take a look. I can draw a line here. And I can get an S that way. Good. Then I'm going to extend this a little bit. I'm going to extend this a little bit. And I'm going to make this the transversal. If I know that is the transversal, okay, I can get that this is, let's see, that, no, hold on. I can get alternate. I need to get alternate interior somehow. I can get this is congruent to, nope. Oh yeah, I can get this is, those are parallel. That is congruent to this piece. Okay, so I can use ASA. All right, there's other proofs for this. So I can prove congruency by ASA. Then I can get the parts are congruent by CPCTC. Then once I show, hey, look, opposites are congruent, I can just use the definition. All right. This one. You have an A. You have angles here. There's no way for you to get any sides. So this would be a no, right? C has actually a formal proof on the last page of the review sheet, okay, as well as A.